Hey, what's going on, guys? I'm going to show you how to use your Actron Elite Auto Scanner, model CP9185. It'll do real live data, it'll do diagnostic trouble codes. You got your scanner here, there's your plug. Get in your vehicle, if it's got a check engine light on, plug it in. The scanner will automatically power up. The scanner also comes with a built-in battery supply as a backup. But if your power supply is bad on your vehicle, meaning it has no power, your scanner will not read. Which in that case, you need to check your owner's manual, check your fuses, things like that. See, and actually look, it even says on this one that the battery's low. So, anyways, you hit enter, then you follow your just main screen here. It's, basically self-explanatory on how to. Let me move this over so y'all can see it better. You can just pick what type of vehicle you got. Whether you got a domestic, a European vehicle, whether it's a Volkswagen, a Kia, something. And if it's an OBD2, it does come with the adapters to do OBD1 vehicles. Whether it's a Ford, a General Motors, a Volvo, let's say a Saab, you name it, it can do it. OBD1 or OBD2. This auto scanner from Actron CP9185. It can do any year OBD1 or OBD2 vehicle. Because it comes with all your different adapters in the like I said, the screen here, pretty self-explanatory. Once you plug it in, it tells you can have the vehicle running, have it not running. It doesn't matter when it comes to reading it, but the key has to be turned on because it can't read the computer's. It can't read a computer without the key being turned on for the power source. When you turn the key on, it sends power to your computer on the car, so the scanner can read it. If it doesn't have power, it can't read it. Then you can view live data, and once it links up to the computer, it's loading now. There's live data on your vehicle. It's telling everything on the vehicle. From the ignition timing to the coolant, to how many revs the engine's running, to how often your cylinders are firing, to which bank. I said it'll tell you everything. You can also record the data. It comes with an adapter that you plug in right here. It comes with adapters, so you can plug it into a laptop and review the data. Like if you're doing a race car or something like that that's got a custom tune. And then there are diagnostic trouble codes, more specific tests, like testing the O2 sensor. It can test everything on your vehicle also. To see if you got an oxygen sensor that's not firing, on bank 1 or bank 2, which is past your cats, bank 1's before your cats. It can tell you if you got the one on the right side of the vehicle is not working, the one on the left side of the vehicle is not working, the one at the rear of the vehicle is not working. All those different things. Well, now we hit the button, so now it's trying to link to the vehicle. Well, heck with it. We'll just let it link, see what it does. There we go. You can read trouble codes. As I said, it can view pending codes. One that your computer's picked up as a potential problem cause, but it wasn't a a steady code, if you will, that tripped your check engine light. So the other day it popped a code for like a system lean or something like that, where you left your gas cap off, but then the next day you got gas and you put it right back on. So your check engine light is no longer on, but it's stored in the computer. That's what basically your pinning codes are basically. It can erase codes. You just simply click on erase. Are you sure you want to erase this code? Yes, no. Then you just hit enter. It links to the vehicle and sends it a signal and tells it to erase any codes that are in the computer, and you just hit enter. That's it. And that's it. You can look up codes, like if you don't know what it means for a beginner, something along those lines. But there you go, guys. There's your basic breakdown on your auto scanner, your Actron Elite model CP9185. That's your basic how-to video on how to use this scanner. If you'd like to know more about this scanner, on the things it can do, the things that it's capable of, whether it's linking it to a laptop, testing the sensors, testing your map sensor, testing your cram sensor, your crank sensor, testing your injectors, all the different sensors on your motor. If you got any questions, leave me in the comments and I'll do a video below for y'all on the how-to of those different things, or different features that this scanner has, or different vehicles. If you're having trouble and you can't get it to link up to, you got an older Volvo or a Volkswagen or a Saab or some type of import, and you have one, you can't get it to power up, just shoot me a message, link in the comment, and I'll show you how to on the next one, or I'll private message you. All right, y'all hit that thumbs up button. Y'all have a like. All right, guys, y'all have a great day. Hit that like button. Like, share, and subscribe.